The secret of getting ahead is getting started. By this quote by Mike Twain, I would like to start my presentation. I, Anushka of class 8G, would like to welcome you all to our team Eco Thinkers presentation. First of all, I would like you to take a look on our product. Its inner part is made up of steel with insulation of clay with a utensil stand. To know the problem well, our team interviewed a lady who uses chula for cooking her food.
धुआं लगता है
और
चारों लग जाता है, उधर बदर फैल जाता है.
Being empathic towards the people who use chula to cook their food, our team made an empathy map with some paints and gains of chula. To test our model, we made a small dummy model that turned out very well. We made a working model on Minecraft, which is here.
Charcoal is a versatile fuel. It radiates heat into all directions, not only upwards towards the pot. Hence, it is crucial to minimize the loss of heat to the bottom and sides of the stove. Especially designed air circulation in the stoves can reuse heat and create environments needed for efficient combustion, and the same can be achieved, for example, by adding a deflector plate between charcoal chamber and the stove bottom to radiate heat back upward.
Then we added up all the cost of expenses and decided to take a secured loan of Rs 90,000. Since we had to reach a large number of people for our product, we will promote it using social media, app, flyer, website and public campaigns. I would like you all to take a look on our website. So this is our flyer. Here comes our app. And finally, here is our advertisement. It's the will, not the skill. By this quote by Jim Tenney, I would like to end my presentation over here. Thank you all and have a nice day.